Welcome to Woggle Guides. In the second part of this three-part guide, we'll look at how you can combine words to extend and refine searches in Gmail. Let's get straight into it. I'm logged into Google and I'm in my Gmail inbox. Now the real power in search keywords is when you start to combine them. We can do this by using some of the keywords we've seen in the first part of this guide. So let's say I want to search for all of the emails from two of my friends. I can find these by joining keyword searches together. I'll click into the search box at the top of the Gmail inbox, and I'll search for my first friend using the from search we saw earlier. And then, to show that I want to search for emails from a second friend, I'll type the joining keyword or. I'll then just add a second from search for my other friend. If I press the return key to run that search, you'll see that the emails I received from both my friends are shown. And of course, you can continue to extend that search by clicking back into the search box and joining a third search using the OR keyword and then searching for emails from another friend. Now so far we've looked at extending searches, but in this next search, we'll look at how you can take search words away to help refine a search. Let's say I want to find emails that have football in the subject. You'll see on running that search, I get lots of emails about American football, which as we know, isn't proper football. So I want to remove any emails that refer to that. To do that, I'll click back into the search box and I'll add a minus sign to indicate that I want to remove any emails from the search that have a particular word. And the phrase I'll add is NFL. If I run that search, you'll see that any emails about American football have now been removed. The next search we'll move on to looks at how to find emails stored in folders in Gmail. Gmail doesn't use the word folders, however. It refers to folders as labels. To find emails in a folder, use the search keyword label, followed by a colon, and then add the folder name. If I run that search, all the emails that are stored in the folder are then shown. We'll now move on to one of the most useful keywords to search with in Gmail. The has keyword is a generic search term that's used to find any emails that contain actual documents or links to online documents. The simplest type of search is when we add the word attachment to the has keyword. Running this search returns every email that has a physical attachment, such as a document or a photo. You can refine this further by replacing the word attachment with spreadsheet, presentation, or even document to show specific types of attachment. You can extend this search even further to find individual types of files using the file name keyword. If I add that, followed by a colon, I can then search for files using their file extensions, including PDF to search for documents, or JPEG to search for images. I hope you found this Woggle guide useful and learned something new. Check out the final part of this guide to learn more keyword searches you can use in Gmail. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.